So funny.
Something that I've started to do is telling myself it's not that serious. Like, it's not that serious, Like, for example, I'll get my crucial things done, and I've been so productive in that sense of like, oh, tomorrow I have this meeting and I have to have this material by this time for my meeting. Okay, I'm gonna work on this right now, and I'm gonna leave everything aside. I didn't get time to, I don't know, take care of this other thing. It's okay. I have tomorrow to take care of it. I'll wake
Mhm.
up early tomorrow with a fresh mind, because sometimes, even, I don't know about you, but when I'm overwhelmed, everything goes wrong. Like,
Oh yeah.
I lose details. I get in a bad mood. I'm like stressed out about time. I'm like, oh, there's not enough time. And like, I can't control time. I can't make, like, if this thing takes me 3 hours, it takes me 3 hours, and I did my best, and whatever I didn't complete, it is what it is. I'll leave it for tomorrow, because I'll do a better job tomorrow. Like, being realistic, there's gonna be times where you have to stay up until like 10 working or whatever, when you have a lot of deadlines. But sometimes you do also have to set your boundaries, because if you're not happy with, like, for example, like you at home, that you had so many boxes, you had to organize so many things, maybe that's your priority as a person, Zach, outside of Oracle, So my motto has been, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. I'm gonna get it done,